Hello friends and welcome back to another video from my YouTube channel, that is Sri Chakra Education. This video will be helpful to all the students of class 11 and class 12 science students who are preparing for their board exams as well as competitive exams. So in this video we will be discussing the important formulas or the concepts of the chapter Structure of Atom, which is in class 11. So let's begin. First one is total number of spectral lines. It is given by n into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is the energy level. This formula is applicable when an electron jumps from nth to ground level. So let's take an example which will make you understand better related to this topic. So before moving to the question, let's understand some basics. So here are the energy levels, that is n is equals to 1, first energy level, also called as ground state. Remember it. N is equals to 2 is the second energy level, n is equals to 3 is the third energy level, so on up to infinity. So let's learn about excited state. So what is excited state? When an electron in lower energy state absorbs energy and moves to higher energy state, it is called excited state. For example, as given in figure, an electron from n is equals to 1 to n is equals to 5. That's the example. So next is de-excited state. So when an electron in higher energy state wants to come in lower energy state, it emits some energy. It is called as de-excited state. So example is an electron from n is equals to 4 moves to n is equals to 1. Till now we were just remembering the basics. So let's move on to the question now. Find the number of spectral lines obtained when an electron de-excites from 5th to ground level. In this question, n is equals to 5 is given. So we know that total number of spectral lines is given by n into n minus 1 divided by 2. So substituting, we will get 5 into 5 minus 1 divided by 2. We get is equals to 10. So there are 10 spectral lines. So the second one, when an electron returns from n2 to n1, the formula to find number of spectral lines is n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 divided by 2. So consider the example. Find the number of spectral lines obtained when an electron returns from 4th excited state to 2nd excited state. Here n2 is 4 and n1 is 2. So we know that the formula to find the spectral lines is n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 divided by 2. So further calculation, we get 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Next is C is equals to nu lambda, where nu is frequency, lambda is wavelength and c is speed of light. Then angular momentum denoted by mvr is equals to nh by 2 pi, where n is number of orbits. Wave number is equals to 1 by lambda. Then E is equals to h nu. Nu can be written as c by lambda. Then we can write it as hc by lambda. Wave number v bar is equals to E by hc. So now let's see its derivation. We know that E is equals to h nu, and we will take another equation, that is Einstein equation, E is equals to mc square. We will equate both. H nu is equals to mc square. So further modification gives wave number v bar is equals to E by hc. Velocity of electron in nth orbit denoted by Vn is equals to 2.18 into 10 raised to 6 into z divided by n, where z is atomic number. Radius of electron in nth orbit Rn is equals to 0.529 into n square divided by z into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Energy of electron in nth orbit En is equals to minus of 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt. Here the negative sign indicates that the energy of electron is lower than the energy of free electron at rest. Rydberg's equation V bar is equals to 1 by lambda is equals to RH into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, where RH is Rydberg's constant. Its value is 1.097 into 10 raised to 7 per meter. Next is de Broglie's radiation. Lambda is equals to H by P where P is momentum and H is Planck's constant. Its value is 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34. Next is spin only magnetic moment. Mu is equals to whole root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, where n is number of unpaired electrons. If you want to find the number of waves in Bohr orbit, use the formula n is equals to 2 pi r by lambda. Next is lambda is equals to h by mv. Next is lambda is equals to h by whole root of 2m ek, where ek is kinetic energy. Next is lambda is equals to h by whole root of 2m ev. Another one is lambda is equals to h by whole root of 3m kt, where k is Boltzmann constant. Its value is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Radius of nucleus r is equals to r0 into a power 1 by 3, where r0 is equals to 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 13 centimeter, and a is atomic mass. So these are the formulas and the concepts which are being continuously asked in both competitive exams and board exams. So please refer these all. And this is a part 1 video of structure of atom. Part 2 video will be based on quantum numbers. Please do watch that video too. So this is all for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.